Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Monza Evo Deluxe Espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the water pump, the one is located on the back of the machine, and we dip this machine in tune-up, which means we had to clean all these around here, the piston heads, the shower screens of the pistons, we replace the O-rings, we replace everything, recalibrated it and clean it up. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Then we're gonna be using some water and do some steam. And now the machine is heating up. Now it's ready. Excellent shot of espresso coming out of the machine. Perfect quantity, 1 ounce, as is a single. Looks great. Simple machine, as you can see. Nice and powerful. Have water, working perfectly fine. So there you have it, Monza Evo Deluxe working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell.